Welcome to Fitworks, Perfect Posture, Natural Pain Solutions. We are not doctors, we're not chiropractors, we're not acupuncturists, we're not personal trainers, we're not massage therapists, and we are definitely not surgeons, but we are myophysiologists, and we build and stretch specific muscle groups to line up the joints of your body so that the pain goes away.
Pain is a restricted nerve. Muscle could push on nerve, bone could push on nerve, bulging disc. And you have a choice with pain management. You can go see a doctor for medication. You can go get an adjustment from a chiropractor. You can see a massage therapist or an acupuncturist to relax the muscle. You can even go have surgery if you'd like. They're treating the symptoms and putting you in a pain management program. We want to fix the problem. 95% of the time, there's a muscle imbalance causing the pain in your body. Understand you've got 209 bones, 256 joints, 640 muscles. Change the muscle, you change the position of the joint. Muscles hold the joint in the proper position, so then we fix the problem. The pain is gone. Perfect posture is the key to fixing the origin of the problem. In this case, with knock knees or bowed legs, it's because of a muscle-skeletal imbalance that somebody's feeling pain. Right here in this figure, the joint is wearing even because the muscles are holding the joint and stabilizing the joint in the proper position. So the meniscus and cartilage is wearing even. These knees will last a long time. Their feet are lined up. In this position right here, their knees come together with knock knees. They have ligaments and tendons being pulled on the medial side. They might have some inflammation. But the meniscus and cartilage is wearing on the lateral side very quickly because of the position of the joint. Okay? This is why everybody's going in and having surgery, because of the position of their knee. So all you need to do is build and stretch the right muscle, and you can line up these joints absolutely perfect, and you fix the problem. This is over here, this is bowed legs. That's the opposite problem. You don't see that very often. But all you got to do is know what to do, what exercise to do to build and line up and stabilize the joint, and you fix the problem. So it's your choice what you want to do.
By building and stretching specific muscle groups, the joints line up gradually for perfect posture, a balanced body over time, all done naturally. We've been doing this for 19 years and have very successful results with our clients. If you're in the Lake Mary, Orlando area, you can call 407-408-7588 to make your appointment for your posture evaluation. It's free. We're going to give you that appointment just to show you the origin of your problems. Then you can do your programs with us personally. If you don't live near us and you'd still like to fix your problems, go to our website, www.fitworksperfectposture.com. You can see reviews there as well. But you can take our posture evaluation answering yes or no. Yes means you need that program, and you can order it right there and download it and print it so that you have it for yourself and you can fix your problems. Don't forget, it's building and stretching, so you have to get the flexibility program and the tools so that you can properly fix the origin of your problems and be pain-free and enjoy life.